This is a public service announcement. This problem is asking you to read and analyze a histogram. So you should be using your notes on page 47. Okay, this page teaches you what histograms are and how do you interpret them. All right. So this particular histogram says a survey of North Middle School staff included staff members' ages. The ages were compiled and displayed in a histogram. Which of the following statements best describes the data? So I see this is North Middle School staff. All right, so the number of staff members and then their ages. So they had no staff members between the ages of 10 and 19. They had, let's follow that line over, 10 staff members who are aged between 20 and 29, okay, and so on and so forth. The first thing you need to do whenever you see a histogram is you need to go and number your bars. So this range has how many staff members in it, or what's its frequency. Okay, it comes up to 10, so this bar is equal to 10. All right, between the ages of 30 to 39, where does that come up to? All right, that comes up to 18. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and go mark down the frequencies of each of your bars first. Okay, you should have gotten the next one is over here at 12. The next one is halfway between 8 and 6, or 6 and 8. So that would be a 7. This one is at 2, and this one's halfway between 0 and 2. So this one is at 1. All right. So now we can answer our question a little easier because we need to find the statement that best describes the data. So one of these is true and 3 of them are not. Okay. So there were 12 staff members between the ages of 20 and 29. So 12 staff members between 20 and 29. So our range, 20 and 29, were there 12 staff members? In this case, no, we knew there were 10. So it's not the first one. All right, and you're going to do the same thing for the last 3. We're going to read the statement, decide what ranges to look at, and if it applies to the data. So the number of staff members under the age of 40, so 40 and below, is equal to the number of staff members 40 and older. So they're saying that the number of members less than 40 is the same number as those greater than 40. Okay, you need to go decide if that's true or false. Okay, then 60 staff members were included in the survey. So you need to go find your total. How do you find your total? Well, you add up the frequencies of each of your bars. Okay, lastly, it says a total of 10 staff members are 50 years or older. So 50 starts here, and then older goes all the way up. So a total of 10 staff members. All right, you need to go through and check the last 3, see which one is true, and choose your answer.